We'll guide you through how to copy Excel to InDesign. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel and begin by preparing your data table. Make sure all relevant information is organized into rows and columns. Next, clean any unnecessary columns by deleting data that is not needed your final layout. After that, adjust column widths so that all content is clearly visible and easy to read. Then, format the text and numbers by applying consistent fonts, sizes, and number formats. Once your data looks clean, select the entire data range and press Copy. Now open Adobe InDesign and create a new document. Set the page size and margins according to your project needs. Select the Type tool and draw a text frame on the page. Place the cursor inside the frame, then paste the copied data. The content will appear as plain table text. Select all the pasted content, go to the Table menu, and choose Convert Text to Table. Set the column separator based on your data, then define the row separator to match the structure. Click OK to create the table. After the table appears, adjust its overall size to fit your layout. Resize columns manually if needed to improve readability. Continue by formatting fonts and styles to match your design. Apply table styles if needed for consistency. Add borders and shading to enhance visual structure. Align text properly within each cell for clarity. Check spacing and overall layout to ensure everything looks balanced and professional. Finally, save your InDesign file to keep your work secure and export it as a PDF if needed for sharing or printing. Review the entire document carefully to confirm that all data transferred correctly from Excel into InDesign. Look for any missing values, misaligned text, or formatting inconsistencies that might affect readability. If necessary, return to the table settings and make small adjustments to separators or spacing to refine the structure. You can also fine-tune paragraph alignment, line spacing, and cell padding to improve the overall appearance.